Welcome back to Living 808. With the 2026 Native Hawaiian Convention just wrapping up last week, many are wondering about legal challenges to Kamehameha School's admissions policies and Native Hawaiian programs, including Hawaiian Homeland's funding. Answers that you can find on the K2N podcast, What's the Law? And that makes Coralie Chun Matayoshi the perfect person to talk to, and she joins us now. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.
Hi, John.
This is really timely since that convention was last week, but what is at the heart of all of these disputes?
So at the center of these disputes is a deeper legal question about how Native Hawaiians are understood under federal law. Supporters argue that Native Hawaiians are indigenous peoples with unique historical and political relationships to the United States, while critics argue that benefits to Native Hawaiians should be considered race-based programs that violate equal protection and civil rights principles.
Ooh, okay, so how does the overthrow of the Hawaiian kingdom factor into these discussions?
The overthrow is important to these discussions because the Supreme Court has recognized that American Indian tribes existed even before the United States was created, which is why Indian tribes have unique political and legal status today. Likewise, Congress has acknowledged that the Hawaiian Kingdom was once a sovereign and internationally recognized nation, and that the overthrow resulted in a loss of land, political displacement, severe social, economic, educational, and health disparities affecting Native Hawaiians, which thus created trust responsibilities.
But Native Hawaiians aren't federally recognized tribes. Does that create legal uncertainty?
So while Native Hawaiians don't currently have the same formal government-to-government relationship that federally recognized Indian tribes possess, Congress has enacted hundreds of laws specifically related to Native Hawaiians. So an important question may be whether indigenous political status always depends on having a formal, separate indigenous government, or whether Congress can recognize indigenous peoples in other ways.
Oh my gosh, this is so important. Not only am I Hawaiian, but I'm also Cherokee Indian. So
Wow,
this is a
you got
double.
it both ways.
Yeah, I did. You're constantly doing podcasts. This is just one of many. What other ones are you working on?
So yes, the Supreme Court upheld birthright citizenship, hooray, but mass deportation with questionable ICE tactics continues. Should green card holders be worried? And new laws requiring you to purchase more car insurance. Are you in compliance?
Ooh.
All that and more on K2N2.com. What's the law?
Coralie, thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it. Heavy topics, man. Ooh, you're going to want to tune in for that. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate it.
Thanks, John. See you later.
All right, much more on Living 808.